Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Big thumbs up if you enjoy this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next. Let's get straight into it today. We're opening up the end case Audis. First up, we have that 2017 Audi Rs6 Avant. Now this was a brand new casting for 2018, and here we've got it in the Factory Fresh series again for 2019. It's car 2 of 10. Let's get it straight off the card. It's really awesome color this time. You can see it's here in the metallic blue. It's wearing those PR5 wheels. It's just a really cool casting. It's got heaps of tampos all over it. You can see the Audi symbol. We've got the number plate. We've got rear tail lights. It's just really cool. I really enjoyed it last year when we got it in that base red and also in that Spectra Flame red for the Super Treasure Hunt. But I think definitely this metallic blue has outdone it. This casting is, I dare say it, perfect. So you can see the interior is black and it's got that tinted window, so it looks pretty cool. I really love this casting now. Okay, next up, we've got the second Audi in the end case for 2019. It's car 3 of 10 in the Factory Fresh series. Brand new casting for 2019. And you can see it's the Audi Rs5 Coupe. And here it is in base red. So it was a little hard to get out, didn't want to come off this card, but finally we got it out. It's another beautiful example of a car. It's just perfect. You see that black base, again, heaps of tampos. We've got the Audi symbol, the number plate, we've got the headlights, got the tail lights, got a nice black interior. The windows are a black color, so it's really hard to see in, but it's got a lot of nice details on the outside, and you can see it's wearing those Y5 wheels in chrome. Just two awesome Audis in this end case for 2019. Really impressive. They're excellent. Let me know if you've got them in the comments below because they're two beautiful cars. Time to see them on the track, and first up we'll check out that Audi Rs6 Avant. Now I never actually got the main line for 2018. This is the first time I've tried it on a track. Gave it a spin, round the loop, lost a bit of speed, fell out of the loop. So I gave it a second push, wanted to see it go. So you can see not too bad. It goes around once and then just loses too much speed. So I'm gonna give it a pass because I like it. Now let's check out the Audi Rs5 Coupe. Now this one I was really excited to see, and it flipped out the first time around. So I gave it another little push and it fell out of the loop, but I wasn't gonna have that be the end of it. I really wanted this one to work. So let's start all over again. This is the Audi Rs5 Coupe, put it on the track. Now, no cheating here. Oh, the car slows down. So just another push, car slows down, another push, another push, another push. So I was actually pretty happy with this car, although it needed a few pushes to go around. They both performed not too bad on the track. It might be cool to see them through a couple of boosters on a bigger track. All right, let me know in the comments down below if you've got either one and which is your favorite from the two. For me, it's definitely that 2017 Audi Rs6 Avant because it's a beautiful color. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.